Cheers.
Now my turn. Ho, ho, ho.
Green giant. So, first things first. Cheers.
Cheers.
Ooh, it's busy. Okay. So, I got two different gingerbread homes. This one I've never ever seen before, but this one's for you.
Oh, the hard one. Okay.
I don't think it's any more difficult than mine. Anyway, it's a gingerbread tree house. So you can start opening up yours. And then I have gingerbread house. So I'm going to open up my box. And we're going to attempt to build these tonight. Oh, this is really colourful. Okay, what's this? So I've got a bag of icing.
Candies.
I guess this is the structure of the house.
Let's see what mine look like.
Oh.
Okay, so green sugar, I presume. A little tube of chocolate. Move this coffee. Little candies that go around top on the side of the roof.
I got some little gold balls and some big and silver gold balls and some little wreath decorations.
And this is my tree house.
Oh, the assembly instructions are on the back.
I was about to say, I didn't have nothing in mine.
Yeah.
Okay, let's have a look. Instructions.
This is where I need my glasses.
Those are my instructions.
Right.
See if I can follow them.
Massage. Massage. Massage.
Massage.
Cookie icing bag for 2 minutes. Ooh. Oh, this is really crumbly.
Maybe as you mix it up, it'll...
Mine is going pretty good.
Really crumbly up here.
Just a minute already. Okay. I don't have a knife, so I'll use my coffee spoon
Wait a minute.
to open up my package.
Use the grip. Anyway, I think it's time for another drink.
Because there's no air.
Oh, that's fizzy. Woo!
Pipe icing straight down the sides
Right.
of curved trunk pieces.
Let's see, I got... I just broke my house.
Some icing.
Just broke my house. I can't get the box open.
With the edges of both straight
I'm missing
pieces.
a bit of my roof.
I don't see my straight pieces. I see these two.
What straight pieces? It's that. You gotta snap it.
You sure? Don't break mine like yours.
No, look. All right.
I'd rather break it.
Corner bit's missing. I didn't break that.
Maybe you didn't handle the box gently. But I don't see where these go.
That's probably the steps going up. Look, count how many steps are going up.
Oh,
You
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, we'll take 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Remember Squid Games. If you don't break it properly. All right. Time for another drink.
Oh, there we go. Perfect. Okay. All right, now it's time for my.
Right. I have to decorate the front with.
I think we gotta cut the edge off of this, I would think.
Yeah, we need scissors. Who's getting warm in here? I'm going to show you my broken bits. Look, so this is my front. He's got a little broken bit there. And then these are my two windows, which I broke this, opening the box. The two roofs, I broke these two corners, but I didn't break this piece.
This
Oh
is
my
the
God, this
cookie
is too
board.
hard.
One goes there. One goes here. Oh, I wonder if it's telling me to put it on the bottom. Because I don't read instructions. 5-year-old probably put this together in 10 minutes.
This will go above my door.
Did you get it?
Yeah. All right, but this is not coming out very easily.
So we're going to go there. And I think this meant when it said on the bottom, because I don't read instructions. I think I got it now. So we're going to go here. Place the curvy piece on the circular cookie base towards the back. Press the side up against the icing strip. Repeat with the other one. But what's gonna hold? This is a 2-person job.
Blimey. It's not very easy.
Must go like that.
Well, that doesn't look like a love heart.
I'm just going by the picture now. Because I don't read instructions. Where are my sides?
All right, got a question.
And there we go.
What is your favorite Christmas carol?
So, have that.
What is your favorite Christmas carol?
Well, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
How does that song go?
I'm not going to try to sing that one. I don't know where these two go. Because I don't read instructions. So where does these two go?
Am I supposed to ice the front door?
Oh, they must go there and there. Because I don't read instructions. Okay. I got it now. I have to build the second house at the top there on this one.
What was your favorite present as a child?
I always wanted a 10-speed swing bicycle. But I was a 15 or 16 when I finally got it. How about you?
My favorite present I ever got as a child was a Tiny Tears doll. It's the type of doll that you squeeze their belly and she peed her pants.
My icing has a mind of its own.
I think I was supposed to put glitter on the front door. Oh, this calls for a drink. Cheers.
Oh, my coffee's probably cold, but whoops, cold by now.
Okay, what was your family Christmas tradition on Christmas Day?
All the parents, all the adults opened up their presents first. We could hear them when we were supposed to be sleeping.
Oh, they opened up the night before?
No, early in the morning.
Oh.
And we could hear them putting all our presents in the different areas. Because we each all had our own little area. So when you came down, Mom or Dad would point you to where your stack was. And we could hear them talking. We'd be at the top of the stairs. A couple times we got caught. But you'd be at the top of the stairs and you could hear, oh, for James, this motorcycle is for James, put it over here. This is his stack. And you could hear that. So a lot of times we had a good idea what we were getting before we even came down. And when we came down, we knew exactly where our pile was because we heard them. So yes, that's how we used to, that was every year. Then after everybody opened their presents, we'd have breakfast. And then you could play with your toys. How about you?
Mine was very different. So, you woke up in the morning and you'd always have a stocking at the end of the bed, which you were allowed to open as soon as you woke up. And I'd always have some sweets or candy. There would always be some nuts. There'd always be an orange and some sort of colouring crayons to keep me busy in the morning until my parents woke up. And then, once they woke up, we got to go downstairs. Then I'd have to wait until my parents had their breakfast and had like 4 cups of tea. And then we'd wait, and then after we had breakfast, then we had to go get dressed in our best like Sunday attire, all of us. And then our Christmas tree was in our front living room and it was always locked. That was our fancy living room. So then we'd wait for my dad to unlock that room. And once it was unlocked, we could go in there, sit down. And then my dad would sit on the floor in front of the Christmas tree. And then we'd all sit on the fancy sofa. And then my dad would read out a present. So say like if it was for my mum, he'd like, oh mum, this is your present. So she'd sit there and she'd open her present, we'd all watch and see what she got. Then it would be someone else's turn. So it was like one present at a time. So it'd last like a really long time. It was fun. The anticipation of waiting for your name to be read out and then finding out what everyone got. And then my brother Kevin, he would never open anything until he had shook the present to death and guessed what was inside the present. And my brother was 10 years older than me, so I'd be like 5, he'd be 15, he'd be taking like 20 minutes to open a present, and I'd be like dying on the floor because I wanted my next present. Oh, it's a lot smaller than I thought. So what time did you have dinner on Christmas Day?
Oh, we always ate early, like 1 or 2 o'clock. And a lot of times we ate twice.
Yeah, we had dinner like 2, 3 o'clock, Christmas dinner. And then in the evening we'd have like tea. So it'd be like
snacks,
jelly and sandwiches and mince pies, trifle. What is your favourite movie? Christmas movie.
It was The Grinch Who Stole Christmas, but it was with, Bill Murray, the guy off of Ghostbusters.
He made The Grinch Who Stole Christmas.
He made a version of it. No, he was
the Grinch.
He was the Grinch.
I've never seen that.
No. What's the movie where they were showing the guy before and after, like in 10-year increments, show him what was it? The show before or after, because he didn't believe in Christmas. Scrooge?
Scrooge?
Yeah.
That old black and white movie.
I don't think it was black and white. It was Bill Murray, so it wasn't black and white.
Oh.
Where it showed him his life and before and after.
That rings a bell.
Yeah. Thought it was something Scrooge, is what I thought. Okay, here's the rough version. Looks nothing like the one on the box. I don't know what this is for. Because I don't read instructions. Oh,
What are you eating?
some of my well, you know, I have to try them.
What do you have to have every Christmas to make it feel like Christmas?
The parades.
Macy Day Parade? No, that's Thanksgiving.
It's the Christmas parade, isn't it?
No, it was Thanksgiving.
You are absolutely right. How about you?
See, I don't like a big breakfast at Christmas. I like a big dinner, and then I like a cold tea like at 6 o'clock. And I personally like lots of people around on Christmas Day.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Because in England, I used to like it when the men used to go to the pub Christmas morning. The women would do the dinner. And then the men would come back, we'd all sit down and eat dinner. And then the men would do the dishes and make the women a drink. And then we'd all retire. Us kids would play with the toys. And the adults would watch like a James Bond movie.
Well, that all sounds good except for the men coming back to clean. How's your gingerbread cookie coming, or house? Is it gonna look like a house when you finish?
I don't know. See, mine's different. Mine says to decorate first and then assemble, but yours is like assemble first.
Yeah, but it's falling apart
And
when
then-
I try to decorate it, assemble it.
I think I need a drink. It might help. Is yours slipping off the top?
No, it's not slipping off.
It's just wonky.
The time he turned it around.
Oh, your house is finished.
Yeah, let's.
Ta-da! What do you think? I think they may have had an earthquake because there's a crack.